Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm diving into a quick guide on how to check the health of your resistance temperature detectors, or RTDs, in industrial settings. RTDs are crucial for accurate temperature measurements, so keeping them in top shape is essential. First off, start with a visual inspection. Check for any physical damage or corrosion on the RTD and its wiring. This could be a sign of trouble. Next, ensure all connections are secure. Loose connections can lead to inaccurate readings. Now let's move on to measuring resistance. Grab your multimeter and set it to the ohm setting. Disconnect the RTD from its power source and measure the resistance across the RTD's terminals. Compare this reading with the manufacturer's specifications. If it's off, your RTD might be compromised. Another handy check is the ice bath test. Place the RTD in an ice bath and allow it to stabilize. The resistance should align closely with the RTD's specified resistance at 0 degrees Celsius. If not, you might have a faulty sensor. Finally, consider the RTD's response time. A sluggish response to temperature changes can indicate degradation. Use a temperature calibrator to apply a known temperature change and observe the RTD's reaction. There you have it. These steps will help you ensure your RTD is providing accurate readings. Remember, regular checks can save you from unexpected downtime and costly repairs. Thanks for watching, and keep those RTDs healthy. Catch you next time.